shows us the finished product, new at 5.
The Lozier family has lived in this home for about 4 years. It was built in 1961, but the family says it got so bad inside at one point, the house was condemned. But with the help of some very generous volunteers, the family says they now have the home of their dreams.
This is new, the sink's new.
In 7 days, volunteers did an extreme makeover on Josh and Sarah Lozier's southeast Oklahoma City home. Josh is partially blind and deaf after a roadside bomb wounded him in Iraq 7 years ago when he was a private in the Army. He was awarded a Purple Heart 2 years later. When members of the Military Order of the Purple Heart recently visited Josh's home, they said it was in shambles.
You just had sheetrock that was falling apart, rodents, a rodent infestation.
It wasn't dirty, but it was dated and some of the stuff was messed up.
So the group applied for a $5,000 grant from Home Depot and added more money to it in order to fix the Loziers' home.
Kitchen was completely taken apart and put back together. All new cabinets, new appliances, new paint, new backsplash, everything.
This is my favorite part though. I have lazy Susans now.
The home now has new flooring and new windows. Josh says he's humbled and blessed his 10-month-old daughter now has a safe floor to play on.
I didn't know people did this kind of stuff.
Well, this is clearly in our wheelhouse and within our mission statement, and it's what we do.
The family says all they like to do now is add some new coats of paint, get some new insulation, as well as new gutters, as well as some new furniture. And Josh says jokingly he would like to have that done before his daughter graduates from high school. Reporting in southeast Oklahoma City, Heather Hope, News 9.